This one is a little bit complicated, but let's go ahead and power through it. So we want to find, with the information we're given, all three sides of this triangle. So what we have is an angle of 66 degrees. We have a second angle, 71 degrees, and a distance between those of 12. So to get the height of this side on the right, we're going to need height equals length divided by cotangent of angle 1 minus cotangent of angle 2. So on theta, if we go to 66 degrees, we'll flip over and look over on tangent. That's going to give us 2.24. So on D, we'll go to 2.24, and that'll give us our cotangent of 0.445. Angle 1 is 0.445. Let's do angle 2. On theta, we will go to 71 degrees. We're going to flip over, go to tangent, and we're going to be at 2.9. So we'll slide over to 2.9 on the D scale, and we'll look up and we'll get 0.344. So cotangent of angle 2 is 0.344. If we subtract that, we'll get 0.101. Now we can plug in this formula. Length is going to be 12 divided by 0.101. Let's do that on the slide rule. Let's go to D. 12 divided by 0.101 on the C scale. Make sure that's lined up. And if we slide to the left index, that'll give us 118.8. So this side is 118.8. Now let's find this side. So from this angle, 66, we have 118, which is opposite, and an adjacent. Opposite adjacent, that's going to give us tangent. So tangent of 66 equals opposite 118.8 over x, our missing side. Now if x is on the bottom, you can switch it with the angle. So x is by itself, 118.8 over tangent of 66. So on theta, let's find tangent of 66. If we flip over on the t scale, we'll get 2.24, 118.8 divided by 2.24. We slide over to the right index. That'll give us our answer of 52.53. So this whole side is 52.53. Now we have both sides here. We just need to figure out the hypotenuse, and we can do that using the P and Q scales. Let's set the hairline over here at 0, and we want to go to 118.8. Then if we go to our first number of 52.53, we'll look down and we'll get 129.9 on the Q prime scale. So our last side is 129.9. That's how you solve all the sides, only given two angles and a partial side.